Unraveling the meaning of nitpick. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might seem a bit tangled at first. Nitpick. Ever wondered what it really means to nitpick something or someone? Well, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the definition but also the context in which it's used. So, let's unravel this thread together and learn how to use nitpick correctly in English. The term nitpick is a verb that comes from the action of removing nits, the eggs of lice, incredibly small and hard to see, from someone's hair, which is a meticulous and time-consuming process. In modern usage, when we say someone is nitpicking, we mean they are giving too much attention to unnecessary details or trivial flaws. It's often perceived as a negative trait because it can come across as being overly critical about things that don't really matter. Interestingly, the term nitpick did not originally start out with the metaphorical meaning we use today. The literal action of picking nits is where it all began, but over time, it evolved. By the mid-20th century, the phrase began to be used figuratively to describe someone who was being excessively concerned with trivial matters, much like the painstaking process of picking tiny nits from someone's hair. To help solidify your understanding, let's look at some examples of how to use nitpick in a sentence. I appreciate your feedback, but you're nitpicking over minor mistakes that don't affect the overall project. Let's not nitpick about whose turn it was to take out the trash. What's important is that it's done now. The editor nitpicked every line of the article, ensuring there were absolutely no errors. These examples show that nitpicking can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to professional settings. It's important to distinguish between nitpicking and offering a critique. A critique is generally a more thorough and constructive form of feedback that aims to improve something in a significant way. Nitpicking, on the other hand, tends to focus on the small, often insignificant flaws that do not contribute to substantial improvement. Knowing the difference can help you communicate more effectively and avoid misunderstandings. There you have it. You're now well equipped to use the word nitpick appropriately in English. Remember, while attention to detail can be a good thing, nitpicking is usually not seen as constructive. We hope this video has shed some light on this intricate expression. Happy learning, and don't sweat the small stuff. See you in the next video.